Welcome to our video demo on how to use ICD-10 to HCC Crosswalk. The ICD-10 to HCC Crosswalk is our web-based tool for healthcare professionals working within the Medicare Advantage. It helps translate specific ICD-10 codes into the corresponding HCC codes, which are used to assess a patient's health status and predict their healthcare costs. You can start using the tool by visiting rafscorecalculator.com. and then navigating to the ICD-10 to HCC Crosswalk option, at the top right corner of the website. You can simply add up to 10 diagnosis codes in the text box, using commas in between them. Once you add the diagnosis codes, and you take the focus of the mouse out of the text box, you will get the output below. You will get CMS HCC, RX HCC, and the diagnosis description. The output for each diagnosis code can easily be copied, using the copy option, given at the end of each row. If you want to add any diagnosis, either you can simply add it in the text box, or you can use the Type to Add option at the bottom of the table. If you want to edit, delete, or add the diagnosis codes, you can do it in the text box. For further information about the tool and access, you can do the same as described on our website, www.rafscorecalculator.com.